Each year, STI SPFA presents the Fabricated Steel Product Awards to recognize steel construction projects that exemplify the steel tank industry. This year, we awarded projects across 14 categories. We received 56 submissions totaling nearly 700,000 tons of steel. Products are judged by STI SPFA members on aesthetics, engineering, uniqueness, and promotional value. We would like to congratulate and recognize the winners, starting with the Steel Water Pipe Fabrication Project of the Year. The winner for this category was Grand Forks Regional Water Treatment Plant by Mid-America Pipe Fabricating and Supply. The carbon steel pipe for this project was fabricated per AWWA C200 specifications using ASTM A1018 coil for spiral welded pipe sizes 24 to 42 inches and ASTM A53 mill pipe for sizes 18 inches and less. Pipe sections and field joints were designed for 50-pound test pressure. Pipe sections were lined with AWWA C205 cement mortar and prime coated with AWWA C210 epoxy primer. Finish coating was performed in the field by others.
Steel Water Pipeline Project of the Year, and the winner is San Fernando Groundwater Improvement by JIFCO. The district is capturing the hydrocarbon contaminated water and processing through UV contact units and then through GAC filters. Approximately 10,000 feet of filtration piping was installed at this plant. It was one heck of a project. Over to Tim.
Our next winner is the Steel Water Pipe Affiliate Product of the Year for Caper Ridge Pump Station and Raw Water Intake by Hallmark Industrial Supply. Precision, complexity, large-scale work, and thinking out of the box were cornerstones of this project. While the design of the piping required M11 calculations, there were unique sets of challenges in addition to that which were overcome with UG37 and FEA. The project exemplifies the strength of steel pipe and fabricated fittings on a global platform.
Next, the API 620 Low Pressure Liquid Storage Tank of the Year. The winner is Fremont WWTP Upgrade Egg-Shaped Anaerobic Digester by Chicago Bridge and Iron Plainfield. The scope of work included one 1.2 million gallon ESD vessel. The unique shape and application for this vessel demonstrates the flexibility of steel design, fabrication, and construction, making steel the material of choice.
The API 650 Atmospheric Oil Storage Tank of the Year winner was the API 650 Thick Juice Storage Tank by Paso Robles Tank. This project consisted of getting 936,000 pounds of steel designed, ordered, processed, and constructed in the middle of the pandemic. Paso Robles managed to provide an expedited construction schedule to support just-in-time product transmission from the processing facility while delivering the highest quality and long-lasting product to the client.
The ASME Pressure Vessel Field Erected Storage Tank of the Year, and the winner is the Hot Lime Softener Replacement by Chicago Bridge and Iron Newcastle. This hot lime softener vessel is an elevated cone bottom vessel with a net capacity of 183,700 gallons and a design temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This vessel is comprised of a column supported spherical outer shell with a conical bottom and a large internal cone that reduces to a 30-inch diameter vertical outlet pipe for depositing product into the bottom of the outer cone. Congratulations.
The Lincoln District 1 million gallon elevated water storage tank by Caldwell Tanks was the winner of the Elevated Tank of the Year category. In 2021, a new 1 million gallon Petosphere elevated water tank was built for Illinois American Water. This tank was to accommodate a new water treatment plant being built to supply the growing area around Lincoln, Illinois. The size of the tank is one of the largest Petosphere-style tanks designed and built in recent years. The tank included an intricate logo of a bust of Abraham Lincoln. Congratulations.
The Reservoir Tank of the Year, and the winner is Filter Plant and Clear Well Improvements Phase 1A by Paso Robles Tank. The work consisted of erecting two 3.1 million gallon recycled water storage tanks. These tanks were part of a larger overall project for the owner to improve existing facilities. Tanks were built with external double bay press brake roofs, providing an interior that eliminates inaccessible areas by moving the structure to the exterior of the tank. This construction method minimizes costly long-term maintenance needs, which is why the owner selected it.
Paso Robles tank was also the winner of the Special Storage Tank of the Year category with the Hyperion bioreactor. Quick turnaround designed fabrication, construction, and coatings of a prototype bioreactor tank to support ongoing test program for the client's process. Steel construction was the selected material due to the strength, lead time, and aesthetic requirements of the project. The product was delivered on time to support tight client project goals. Congratulations, Paso Robles.
The Standpipe Tank of the Year goes to Caldwell Tanks. The tank was constructed for a treatment plant for Pennsylvania American Water. The 35-foot diameter by 60-foot tall storage tank was supported by a ring wall foundation. The extremely tight site required flexibility of the construction crew to erect and paint the tank, as the tank was hemmed in on 3 sides of a sloped site. Congratulations, Caldwell Tanks.
The winner of the Pressure Vessel Product of the Year category was the Final Cooler Pressure Vessel by Kennedy Tank and Manufacturing Company. This vessel was designed to ASME Section 8 for 3 PSIG at 150 degrees Fahrenheit with a 0.125 corrosion allowance. This vessel was mostly comprised of 3/8 inch thick steel and had a unique 1/2 inch thick immediate flat bottom consisting of 4 heavy-duty I-beams welded for additional support. The vessel had a total of 29 nozzles with 5 manways and weighed 61,000 pounds, including 6 platforms that were located at each manway and near the top of the vessel. The vessel was engineered in 3D with Inventor software and took 4 months to fabricate once the material arrived in the fabrication shop. Congratulations, Kennedy Tank.
The Shop-Fabricated Atmospheric Tank of the Year goes to Modern Welding of Owensboro, Kentucky. There was a total of 3 tanks for this project that were shipped to Philadelphia in August of 2021. These fuel storage tanks were double wall and fabricated out of 1/4 inch thick material. All 3 tanks will be utilized for backup power generation.
7 stainless steel wine storage tanks by Paso Robles Tank was the Special Fabrication Product of the Year winner. These tanks were built from top down using MIG and TIG welding processes. The dimple jackets on these tanks were spot welded and welded around the perimeter to seal the 2 pieces together. The tanks in total hold almost 92,000 gallons, enough to make 463,697 bottles of wine.
The affiliate new product of the year goes to Midwest Materials on their new stretch leveled brushed steel to length line. This new line is capable of processing material up to 3/4 of an inch thick by 78 inch wide material at a maximum yield of 80,000 pounds. This line incorporates the most advanced technologies, including a new continuous stacking system. Congratulations, Midwest Materials.
And congratulations to all STI SPFA Fabricated Steel Product and Project Award winners. Let's give them one more round of applause.